Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. We will focus on how a huge population can become a big problem for the South African economy. A large population can become a challenge for the South African economy in several ways. 1. Strain on resources. A large population can put a strain on natural resources such as water, land, and energy, which can limit their availability and increase competition for their use. This can lead to resource scarcity, environmental degradation, and social conflict. 2. High unemployment and poverty. A large population can lead to a high unemployment rate and poverty levels, which can strain social safety nets and limit economic growth. This can also lead to social unrest and political instability, which can further harm the economy. 3. Pressure on infrastructure. A large population can put pressure on infrastructure, such as transportation, housing, and healthcare, which can lead to congestion, inefficiencies, and inadequate services. This can negatively impact economic productivity and limit access to basic services. 4. Demographic challenges. A large population can lead to demographic challenges, such as an aging population or a high dependency ratio, which can strain public services, limit economic growth, and reduce innovation and entrepreneurship. 5. Brain drain. A large population can also contribute to a brain drain, where highly skilled and educated individuals emigrate to other countries, which can limit innovation, research, and development in the country. Overall, managing the challenges associated with a large population is critical for the South African economy to ensure sustainable economic growth and development. This may involve implementing policies that address resource constraints, promote job creation and poverty reduction, strengthen infrastructure, and invest in education and skills development. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.